Hello guys, one love to my family members out there. This is Family Man. This tutorial is on how you can record your voice, edit it and add some sweet effect on it to look nice using Audacity. Now, I have been in the studio world for several years and I tell you there are more and much more things that you can do with this Audacity. Please guys, I would like you to watch this video to the end and don't fail to hit the like button and as well subscribe. Okay, if you have the software or the application installed in your gadget, this is how the interface look like. But if you don't have it, you can look below in my video description to get the website, or you just go to Google. Just type Audacity and the first link that appears, you click on it, it will bring you to the website where you can download the application. And after downloading and installing, when you open it, this is what you see. At the top here, there are some buttons. We have file, edit, select, view, and these buttons, when you open them, there are some commands. We will not actually theoretically look at those commands, but we will know how they work in the process of this recording. Okay, the first thing you got to know is this. If you are using external microphone, once you plug in the microphone, you come here and do some settings and just set some things before you start the recording. First, you have to select your speaker, and here we have, and the next we have mono and stereo recording. Preferably you should select stereo recording because the stereo recording can play on two speakers, while the mono recording can only play on one speaker. And here we have the microphone. There is speaker. The first is speaker. Now this one is microphone. You select the microphone based on the one you are using. And up here we have some familiar buttons. We have the play button, we have the pause button, the stop button, the next button, which is self-explanatory. And this red button, once you click on it, it will start recording. There are some other tools here, but we will get to know how they work when we start the recording. And before that, we have ruler here, which actually tell us which we can use to measure and know the rate at which the recording is going and how our track is actually playing. So now let's assume we are set and you click on the red button. Yeah, to my ladies out there, the young girls, the single mamas, the baby mamas, God made you sweet and beautiful. Me love you all. Mwah. Okay, we have succeeded in recording something. Now let's see what we have recorded. You click on play here to see what you have recorded. Yeah, to my ladies out there, the young girls, the single mamas, the baby mamas, God made you sweet and beautiful. Me love you all. Mwah. Okay, that is it. Now, at the beginning of the track, there is one box here. We have close. Once you click on this close button here, it means you are closing the track. And we also have mute here. When you click on the mute, you mute the track. It will not produce any sound except you unmute it, you remove it. That is it for that. Here we also have some commands here. There's this one that looks like capital I. It means it is a selection tool. Once you click on it, you can use it to select a portion of the track, and that portion you select, any effect you made will be affected on that portion. And even if you want to play, let's play and see. The young girls, the single mamas, the baby mama. You see, it is only that place that I selected that actually played. So that is it for the selection tool. And here we have the shift tool. Here we have the shift tool. You can use it to move the track, and this is very effective when you have several tracks and you want to mix them. We also have the writing tools here, and very important, there is something up here which is called the monitoring tool. It monitors the performance of your microphone to know the level, whether it is high or not, so that you not burst the eardrum of your listeners. So look at it. Once you click on it, here you see the green. It has green color, the yellow color, and the red color. The green color shows moderate. That's the sound of your microphone is, the volume of your microphone is okay. The yellow means that it is getting high, and the red means too high. And also for the speakers, there is monitoring tool also for the speakers. And here we have the playback speed. You can actually increase the playback speed, and width of which I have done, and when you play it, you see how it goes. You see the speed of the track has actually increased. You can also, here we also have the zoom in and the zoom out button. If you want to see the track very well, you can zoom it in and zoom it out. Here, if you want to reduce or increase the volume of the microphone, look at the button here, and look at another one which you can use to increase or reduce the volume of the speaker. And that is it. Very easy. You have recorded something. Then we also have something very important I want you to know. Very simple effect that we normally use. Let's assume I use the selection tool to select some portion, and I want to add some bass and treble effect. When you click on this, the bass and the treble, you see you can actually increase the bass or the treble, anyone. You see, and this is start playback, for you to play and hear what you have actually done, whether it is the way you like it or not. The young girls, the single. So if you look at it very well, listen to it very well, you find out that there have been some changes. So we also have what we call the fade in and fade out effect. So we can use this selection tool and select the beginning of the track, and we select the beginning of the track. We select the beginning of the track and go to effect and click on fade in, and we also select towards the end of the track, go to effect and click on fade out. Now let's see what we have done. Yeah, to my ladies out there, the young girls, the single mamas, the baby mamas, God made you sweet and beautiful. Me love you all. Okay, that is it. So guys, thanks for watching. If you really love this video, say we are family. Say it very loud. We are family. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.